for a new lesson for the day. But before that, please don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the notification bell for a reminder for our next lesson. For today, our lesson will be about elements of weather climates. But before that, let's have a review about our lesson about volcanoes. Tell if the precautionary measure shown happens before, during, and after the volcanic eruption. So number 1, avoid all low-lying places. What do you think is the answer? Yes, very good. It is after. Number 2. Yes, it is before. Number 3. Yes, it is during. Number 4. So it is after. Yes, very good. It is after. Next. Yes, very good. It is before a volcanic eruption. Next. Yes, that is before. Next. Yes, it is during. Next. Very good. That is after a volcanic eruption. Next. Yes, that is before. Next. Okay. I hope that you got 10 points. You got perfect with our review. Now, let us go to our topic for the day. But before that, kindly answer the question. What can you say about the weather today? Look at your window. What can you say about our weather? Yes, if you can find in your window that the sun is shining brightly, therefore it is sunny day. But if you are looking out your window and the rain is falling down, it means it is rainy day. Or if the sun was being covered by the clouds, maybe it is cloudy day. Very good. Next. Has it changed much than yesterday? Yes. If yesterday is sunny day and today is rainy day, there is changes. But if you have observed the weather yesterday and today, made the same, it is sunny day, so there is not much changes. Okay, I want you to observe the picture. Are you ready? Okay, what can you say about the picture? Do you have any idea? Yes, the sun is shining brightly. Therefore, it is sunny day. Very good. Next, look at the picture. Yes, if somebody is bringing an umbrella and rain is pouring down, therefore it is rainy day. Very good. Clap your hands. You guessed the correct answer. Next. Okay, kindly read. The condition of our environment is ever changing. It does not only affect our comfort, but also determines what activities we can carry on at a certain times. This may be as simple as deciding whether to go on a picnic on a bright day or just stay at home and enjoy reading or storytelling with the rest of the family during stormy days. It may also be as critical as deciding what crops to plant during the rainy season and during the dry season. This is a major concern of farmers since the Philippines is principally an agriculture country. Oh yes, do you like a game? Okay, I want you to jumble the letters to form a word. Are you ready? Okay, you can jot down in your notebook if you like. Okay, what is that? Okay, very good. That is the word that you can form is wither. Very good. Next. Yes. Can you guess? That is climate. Let us spell first the word weather. Are you ready? It is Weather. Weather. Then we have the climate. Climate. I hope you got the correct spelling with your word. Next, I want you to watch a video and try to jot down important ideas so that you can answer our question later on. Are you ready? Okay, let's start.
Unit 2. Our Planet Earth. Weather and Climate. Weather. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere of a place at a particular time. The weather of a place can change rapidly. It may be bright and sunny with a clear sky in the morning, while in the evening the sky may be covered with dark clouds. It may start raining in the morning, but the afternoon may be bright and sunny. The weather of a particular place depends on the temperature, the moisture in the air, the pressure of air, the movement of air or wind. Temperature. Temperature is the extent of hotness and coldness of a place. The earth gets heated by the sun. As the sunlight reaches the earth, the land and the seas heat up and warm the atmosphere. This warming up of the atmosphere raises the temperature. Moisture or water vapor is always present in the air. The amount of moisture in the air rises when the sun's heat converts water from the oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes into water vapor. This is the reason why coastal areas get more rainfall than places away from the coast. Air pressure is the weight of air as experienced from all directions on land. When air heats up, it rises and creates an area of low pressure on the Earth's surface. The surrounding cool air moves in to replace this rising air. This air comes from areas where the pressure is high. This movement of air from high pressure area to low pressure area causes wind. The wind is sometimes a light, pleasant breeze. At other times, it can be very strong and can cause a storm or a hurricane. Climate. Climate is the weather condition of an area over a long period of time. Climate of a place depends on its average monthly or yearly temperature, average amount of rainfall or snow. Climate influences the type of food people grow and eat, the type of clothes they wear, the type of homes they live in, the types of plants that grow and animals that can live in the region. Seasons. The seasons of the earth occur because of the rotation of the earth on its axis and revolution around the sun. There are mainly 3 seasons in India: summer, monsoon, and winter. Summer. From March onwards, it grows hot. March, April, and May are the summer months. Monsoon. From the month of June, rain clouds gather in the sky, bringing rain to most parts of India. The rains continue till the end of September. June, July, August, and September are rainy months. Winter. After the rains, the weather becomes drier and cooler. October, November, December, January, and February are winter months. January is the coldest month. Seasons change in an orderly fashion. This change of seasons from summer to monsoon to winter is called the cycle of seasons.
Periwinkle. Okay, are you ready? Okay, here is another video. It's about weather and climate. It's from Genius TV.
Here, Jimmy, wear a jacket. Otherwise, you will fall sick. Well, you should always wear clothes according to the weather. It's lucky I had an extra jacket. Wow, I had a great day at school today. How was yours?
Okay, we have a test on weather and climate tomorrow.
Seriously, Jimmy, don't you check the weather forecast?
When we moved here, my dad said that the climate in this place was warm and nice.
Yes, we have a warm climate here, but the weather can keep changing, and you need to be prepared for that.
Now I'm confused.
Jimmy, let me tell you something about weather and climate.
Oh, great! That will also help me with my test tomorrow.
Weather of a place tells you how that place feels right now. The weather today was funny. cold in the morning, rainy a minute back, and now it's sunny.
It sure was funny. Thanks to you, I was okay today.
Yup. That's why it makes sense to watch the weather forecast. Do you know that climate and weather are two different things?
They are?
Yes, you saw how the weather changed today? But the climate of a place means how that place has felt over a long period of time.
I don't quite get it.
Let me explain. For example, we know that Canada is a cold place. That is because over many years, that is how the usual weather of Canada has been.
Now it makes sense. For example, deserts have a hot climate.
Yes, because the average weather there has been hot for many years.
So, climate is how the weather has been on an average for a long period of time.
Yes, that's right.
How long?
Well, like 30 years?
Oh, that's a long time.
Let's go inside now. I'm hungry.
I wonder how many different climates there are.
Well, the climate is decided by two main factors: temperature and precipitation.
What?
Precipitation. It means water falling from the sky.
Oh, so don't you say rain?
It could be rain, but it can also be other things like snow or hail.
Okay.
The Earth is divided into three major climate zones. Depending on your place on the Earth, you could be either in the tropical, temperate, or polar zone.
I sure don't want to be in that polar zone. Look, precipitation. The weather's changing.
Yes, it is. Weather is more complicated than climate.
Oh, I love complicated stuff. Tell me about it.
In addition to temperature and precipitation, weather also means air pressure, moisture, clouds, or fog, and winds.
It sure can get very windy here sometimes. Last weekend, I saw a man's hat flying away in the wind.
So tell me, do you understand the elements that make up weather?
I think so.
Okay, temperature,
How hot or cold it is.
precipitation,
Fancy name for rain or snow.
winds,
The speed of air around you. Fast or slow.
clouds.
Can be white, grey, black. Sky is sometimes overcast with clouds and is clear at other times.
Very good. Now the tough one, moisture.
I know how much water is in the air. Sometimes it can be humid or muggy and rather dry sometimes.
Super, you're a smart kid. Now the last one, air pressure.
I guess. I think. I'm not sure.
It's okay. Air pressure means how much air is pressing down on the Earth's surface. Depending on the height of a place or how cold or warm the air is, air pressure changes from place to place.
I think I'm ready for my test tomorrow.
Okay, so tell me, how is climate different from weather?
You are like climate because you are usually good to me over a long time. But my baby sister is like weather. Her mood can change anytime.
Okay, that's the end of the video. Are you ready for our question? Start with How does weather differ from climate? How does weather differ from climate? Do you have now an answer? Not yet. Okay, now the second question. How does weather affect us, our daily activities? How does weather affect us in our daily activities? Okay, very good. Okay, let us answer the first question. Differentiate weather from climate. You already have your answer, di ba? Already jot down a while ago. Let's find out if your answer is correct. Okay, let us read. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. Again, weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. Whereas climate, it refers to the weather pattern using statistical data of a place over a long enough period yield meaningful average. The weather may be warm one day and cold the next day. It may be bright and sunny when you wake up in the morning and dark and drizzly in the afternoon. What causes the changes in weather? So, the weather has three elements, namely sunshine, water, and air. How do you think this element helps or cause the changes in our weather? Let's find out. Okay, sunshine gives the earth light, heat, and what power, while water comes from oceans, seas, rivers, and lakes. The air surrounds us, just, just as water surrounds the fish, the place where they live in. We live at the bottom of an ocean of air called atmosphere. Climate, on the other hand, is the average weather condition in a locality over a long period of time. In the Philippines, there are two general types of climatic conditions that exist. You have the dry and the wet season. During the dry season or summer, it is generally bright and sunny. Sometimes, though, our atmosphere changes from sunny to dark. In a short time, rain can fall in the afternoon. What is weather? Oh, what is climate? That is already our review from our lesson a while ago. Weather is a condition of an atmosphere at particular place within about a short period of time. Uh, for climate is a climatic condition of the atmosphere for a long period of time. I hope that you understand. How does our weather affects us in our daily activities? Does it affect us? Yes. Sometimes when you wake up in the morning, you can see that the sun is shining brightly. So you decided to wash your clothes. But after 2 hours, oh, it suddenly becomes dark and rain is falling. But so there is changes in our activity. Instead of continue washing our clothes, we just stop it and do other activity that is suited for rainy day. Let us go to our evaluation. Okay, write your answer. Write true or false. Write true if the given statement is correct, and write false if it is wrong. Are you ready? Start with number one. Weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. Again, weather is the condition of the atmosphere at a particular place over a short period of time. Okay, are you done? Number two, climate refers to the weather pattern using statistical data of a place over a long enough period to yield meaningful averages. Again, climate refers to the weather pattern using statistical data of a place over a long enough period to yield meaningful averages. Number three, water gives the earth light, heat, and power. Water gives the earth light, heat, and power. Number four, sunshine comes from ocean, seas, rivers, and lakes. Sunshine comes from oceans, seas, rivers, and lake. Last number five. Air surrounds us, just it surrounds the fish that live in it. Air surrounds us just like it surrounds the fish that live in it. Hey, let us check your answer. Number one, what is your answer? Yes, very good. It is true. I hope you got the correct answer. Number two, the answer is true. Very good. I hope you got the correct answer. Next, number three, false. Number four, yes, the same. False. Number five, the last number, the answer is true. I hope that you got the correct answer. Once again, thank you for listening to our lesson. Hopefully, you'll listen again for the next lesson that I will have. Bye!